Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2018 brand new Yukon Denali. It's got a little dent right here in the back quarter. I've got it not super warm. I've got it 95. That's maybe a little too warm. I'm gonna turn this down. We're just gonna do a quick little glue pull. I've got the glue all hot and ready. And you guys see where that dent is? I'm just gonna drop it right in there. And then maybe even remove the heat. It is kind of cold out, maybe about 45 or 50 degrees out, so that's why I wanted to get... Oh, and I'll move my hat here so we can see it. And I've got the mini lifter. I'm going to actually turn the feet this way so I can come up underneath it. Make sure that my feet are always clean. Slide on in here, give it a little bit of depth. Get around that thing. Now bring it back in so it's on there. I know it's probably tough to see, but I'm going to give it a nice little tug and then a snap. That sounded like it pulled pretty well. Let's grab the ISO. Little tiny spot of isopropyl. See if that moved it. Ooh, it pulled it high, guys. So prepared me is going to grab my hammer and pepper. Turn this heater back on. And now we're going to take out this high. Sure hope you guys can see it real well. And at this point in the video is when I say I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on the video and hits the subscribe button. We just love seeing the community grow. So grateful. I'm feeling the heat on my hand more than anything else, but we're just really slowly tapping this one down because I don't want to make too many pulls. And every tap that I'm tapping is really slight. I'd probably have to say it's about 2.5 pounds of pressure. Let's get a little bit different of an angle. Make sure the board's on real nice. And I'll come in like this. Actually, I need a little bit more. There we go. Right where it's tightest. Kind of baby it back down. So it's kind of a quick video. It's kind of a quicker dent. And that was literally, what, one pull. So let's see if this is the one pull dent. I don't think it would be. I think I might have to come back and make a couple little tiny baby pulls, but hey, you never know. There's a little high line to it, and it's coming out pretty darn nice, actually. My hammer's in the right spot. I always check it. Wow, that's coming together real nicely now. It's just got a little tug through the middle. Let me get right in on it. You guys might not be able to see with me in the way like this, but there we go. Quick little dent, really nice dent on a really nice car for a really nice family. And yeah, it has a little tug, I think. move the board and spend a little bit of time off camera. But honestly, guys, our battery is getting a little bit low from the filming that we've done today. So I will just hit this up with a little bit of 3M Perfect It and say the old thing, which is I sure do appreciate y'all clicking on this video once again. And if you would, hit that like button on the way out. Otherwise, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.